Hi everybody, this is me Faiz Mudawi. This is my presentation of big data. How do we will be in the future with big data? This is a question that before answering it, let us go back to our class that social media and flood of information. Here we can find information everywhere on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, and for example on Facebook users that there are almost 968 million daily active users of Facebook, as well as there are almost 131 billion mobile monthly active users. On this information provided by Facebook, as well as Twitter, also there are almost 360 million monthly users of Twitter, as well as there are 500 million tweets sent by per day. This also data provided by Twitter.com. On YouTube, also users at YouTube users upload almost 100 hours of new video every minute of the day. Over 20 billion photos have been uploaded to Instagram. By 2020, the amount of digital data produced will exceed 40 zettabyte. Now I think we can say that we live with information as we breathe. That everywhere you can find data in YouTube, Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, any social media platforms that you can find information, and you cannot live without information. In which area or in which areas? This is a question that might be in which area that we cannot live without information. Everywhere we need information, and we live with information. Now in business, big companies, brands, depends on data analysis or data gathering, or how could they use it. Even in jobs, in production, in promotion, in advertisement, everywhere they use social media platforms. In education also, as now I'm in Cairo, that following my class in United States, where is my professor and my classmates in Connecticut. Medicine and health also, that we can use apps to communicate with your doctors, or to without going to the clinic maybe. And even if you find your drugs or prescription of drugs, that you can use some apps. And even in dating apps, that a man can find a woman through dating apps, as well as a woman can find a man. This is normal now. Any way, there is a very important thing, even communities and network building, that now we can build our community and network even without meet each other or see each other, or it doesn't depend on where are you, but it depends on what do you want to do or what you want to say. That on Facebook or on Twitter, you can build your communities on human rights activities, or business, or education, or journalistic work, or everywhere you can build your network. You will find the people who share you the same ideas or values, or things that how could you want to do in data, that it doesn't depend on your geographical or physical presence. Even in United States, in United Nations, that there is a global bill, that a new initiative by the United Nations want to leverage big data or global development. The group will produce a so-called sentiment analysis of messages in social networks and text messages using natural language. Anyway, this is very big important development, that how could we use data and how could we live with data. We can't live with data. Anyway, we use it everywhere, and in the future we will be surprised by big number or huge numbers of platforms and other flood of information. Thank you.